Very nice Gen6. Sonoprop materials here. Engine a little. Before start, you should switch on the battery switch. First, silent gen seat. This is a silent gen seat which powered by Cummins International brand of the engine. This engine is powered by Cummins. How to start? We should first add the diesel fuel. Add the coolant in the top. This place add the coolant. Also, we should add this radiator and add the engine oil in the top of the engine here. We have the mark here. Add the engine oil. Turn on this one is okay. How many engine oil be added? Check the engine oil ruler. 3 already. Engine oil, fuel, and the coolant. You can start the gen seat. Before start the gen seat, you should switch on the battery switch. You have the mark here. Battery switch. You should push. This one is the switch of the batteries. Control the control panel. We check this one is the control panel here. Control panel. Start the key. Emergency stop. Step by step. Step 1, step 2. Very easy. We should first turn on the control panel. It will be light. We can see the situation. For example, the situation as the frequency, voltages, power factor. We can up and down to check more information. For example, the engine, speed, generator, voltages, and so on. How to start the gen seat? We can push here. Start 1. Stop 2. It will be start. Let me check here. It will be start. Stop, push here. This one is stop. And if some emergency, you can push here. Then it will be start. All the frequency and voltages is okay. You can switch on the switcher. We should connecting the cables A, B, C, N to the cables connection here. This is the control panel switch box. All the keys here. No use, you can switch off. It will be and switch off the batteries. It will be okay. Very easy of the gen seat start and operation.